We're going to play Resident Evil 4 Remake, a demo.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Brutally yan. Last time na akong duwa ni Dugay na kayo. Okay. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. All good. Okay. Chapter 1. Brutally. So, camera wise, see what's taking so long. Okay, so tuyok. Right, walk. Okay, walking. Nasa lugar eh. Pag ipangit-ngita na ako gamay settings na kaya. Mura dito po kayo kumahadlok. Okay. So to. Okay. Run. R1.
How far could he have gone?
Nice view. Sumuna. Oh fuck. Oh. Lumaka? Oh. Murang nadunot na. Deer? Okay. Okay. Baby. Sorry. Okay, crouch, circle. No. Semua siya, crouch. Nice brace. Ilya. Bear traps. Ay, lingawag na rin yun. Okay. So, tuloy. So, unang duwa naman tayo murag crate na rin. Okay. Wala. O sa biring lugar. Oh, saan yung lugar? Okay. Aha. Welcome, stranger. Right. Ihang akong kwan. Peter. Ay, sige. Ito. Ang hang naman. Bukat niya siguro yung luwa. Okay. Place.
Anyone home?
Okay. Okay. Nope. Somebody did it. Creepy. What's this? Okay, rotate. Sorry. Sierra Elusio. Crude charm. Judgment is nigh. Okay. Kawan eh. Right. Weird place. Yarinola. Yak. Ano sa yung lugar? Place of Maniran. Okay. Lukan mo yung lugar pa sila. Creepy, 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 creepy. Very creepy. Okay, so na yung nakaportahan. Yung sa dire. Okay, so this one is locked. So, sa dire. Very scary. Ha, dito itong sugod siguro na. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay.
Sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Espanyol to speaker, no? Luka nila. Lo, dugo na ID. Oh no. Sound. Oh, lo! What? Oh, fuck. Ah, bali. Susi kadli yan eh. Okay.
This is not good.
Okay. Okay, Hunter's Key Lodge. Okay, Hunter's Key. So, Hunter's Key. Sorry dere. Sorry dere.
Man, that stinks.
See you. Sorry, luto na nila gede. So, ano aim. Okay. So, aim siya. Right. Come on. At least makaliho pa yung mag-aim. So pareha kaya pa sa Resident Evil 2 na remake ang mukhaan controls. So kani. Sorry. Oh. Knife. Okay. Knife. Knife. Okay. Kani. Saan siya? Sige. Patay na na. Who's dead? Key. Okay, understand key. excuse. Okay. Oh, dark. Really dark. Really dark. I hate dark. Dark places. So, yung interaction niya. Ang tadaan. Sorry.
Hey,
Wala na. Ah, patayan eh.
I read you. What's your situation?
Patay.
The hell's going on?
Dahil nagipurma sa 1 na. Itong first na 1 Resident Evil 4. Okay. Ito makagawas. L2 ready weapon, R2 shoot. So R2 shoot. Kani R2. O, gani. Uy,
What was that?
okay. So, uh-oh. Wala.
No fucking way.
Ano yung lag? Uy! 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 Hang ang computer.
It just keeps getting worse.
Happy to da. Saan eh? Say reload. 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 Ay. Okay bala. Inventory. Okay. 4. Okay. Sa inventory ni. Nihang pag yun ang computer. Ayun na to eh. Okay. Pwede knife. Ito knife lang ako dito sa sunod eh. Kala, sige na. Wala lang. Oops. Ano to? Uy! Uy! Bad fighting. Tinakuhaan ko ito na. Ew. Wala na eh. Wala na eh. Knife lang tayo. Yes, ito. Kulba gamay. Hanap kayo sa kontra na rin. Lock. Wala na kayo likod. Sige, punta na nito na. Okay. So, wala yan ang delivered. Mga ito rin ganyan. Okay. Map. Okay. Use restoring health. You can use to restore health from herbs. Okay. Herbs. Love herbs. Okay. So, na. Treasures. What are you? Okay. Examine. Do notch. Oh, we. Yep. That's the key, alright. Mhm. Yep. Los Iluminados. They're back. May gani, namuhi ko ito ganiya. Pero kamay na yung life. What's up? Choice. Sige, go. Sige, ano gani. Map. Okay, map. The map here, become lost, you can check your current position on the map. Sige. Asam ako. Saan ako dari? Padong ko gawas. Natarod yung gani okay. Sa akin ko. Ngayon, ito na ako patay itong ganiya. Okay. Oro to. Tanaw ko siya na. Ito yung mga border yun. So, ito yung news. No. None. One. Okay, Mr. Map. 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 So, doon ko sa taas. At least, mga nadaan natin kamay. Sumutol niya. Okay. So, gusto nagikan din niya na sitas. Sorry. Okay, hagdanan. Item 3. Wala. Okay. Perb. Dito na rin daan. Use na ito rin daan. Full. Use na. I felt good. Be safe. Okay, let's go. Punch mo yung doon. Sinama na rin. Books. Right. Lock. Oh no. Hello, Ashley.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are... Gotta go. Talk later.
Oh, ayun
Lovely
ka.
sofa.
Weird. Ito like, paikon na rin. Something na pwede magamit. Pwede portahan dia. Wala siya malayat. Head to the lake. Check surroundings. Sauna na doon natin yung mga masugat na kadal sauna. Oh, that's blood. Okay. Never good sign. Ito magamit pero ng technique ito kung natin kontra diri. Teamwork man may aim gud, okay klaro gud ang aim gud. Sige. Okay na dunggan. Shit. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Barrel. Okay. Salamat. Bullets. Okay. Reload. Okay, bala. Sumailain ko kailangan natin. Right. Head to the lake. Use map. Map. Okay, map. So, ang lake na dito. Napagari. So, yun. Go on the go. Ah. Okay. Typewriter. Okay. Gunpowder. Gunpowder. Ay, may gunpowder din rin lupitan eh. Right fire, native ano. Okay. Save. Hindi pwede ma-save. Ano naman? Okay. So, sila. Saka na, nag-game ka na siyang well na siya mga kuha na niya. Interact ba ko? Murang interact ba? Kasi nagkasing bala. Doon na yung kita bala. Para sa ta. Saan na ito nga bro? Uldogi. Uldogi. Zero. Right. Nice. Exploration phase good. Crouch stand. Uy! Oh. La. Okay. See this works. What? Ah! Buang. Tira. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Doon natin sa tate sunod. Ay, naku. Pinagulay ng bala. Okay. Load. Takatay. Hapit ko matay tada. Ah. Mukhang mugod po na akong PC. PC. So, run button. Kari. Basta muhang gani, sabot na yung kontra. No. Oh, gay, magid. Katak magid.
Damn it.
Kung life. Gusto ko life. Kira. Okay, bear traps. Itaw sa sud. Berg na itaw sa sud. Okay. Lagi itaw sa sud. Okay. Okay. Right, so red herb. Okay, sa ng red herb ha. Combine. This one is naganang bala. Flash grenade. Change weapon. Okay. So carefully. Pero mas wala. Ito ready throw. You're not safe. You're last. Sige. So naganang bala ron. At least bantay-bantay na mo. Inventory. Okay, setting weapon shortcuts. Can set a weapon. Selecting weapon in the main menu. Use up to 8 weapons can be assigned to one person. So, okay. Chill. Gamay na pizza. Big door with heads. Yep, with heads. That's a head. Okay. Narito na rin. Village. Oh, crouch yun ta. Hinay ta. And okay. So na. Oh, katong pare sa scene so na. Ito kay patay na to pag-buot na to. Uy, daw. Tapos mga buwan. Okay. So, di pa kita ka na sa controls. Sure ka magayabag-yabag itali. Kaysa itong sa Resident Evil, pag sugod na ko nila, kayabag-yabag mabug. Okay. Slowly na. Oo. Donde is, where is he? Right? Okay. Pero doon ako makita nyo ba na ikuha naman yung dito. Okay. So, next is to combine. Yeah. Item crafting. Those are the types of recipe. Yeah. Bako. Basic. Yeah. Oh, I hold. Okay. So, ano na ko ay dua kailing items. Wait. Sure kung makagubot ang ganyan niya dere. Mas mas possible din ako na nagubot. Okay.
Estás ahí.
Okay. I just murdered a woman. Alright. So pwede tayo mag-stealth ngayon. Kung baga may da. Pero I like. Asa mo tapadungan eh. So agi nga napadulungan. Pero nagyapon ng same nga layout. Sure ko ang shotgun na dire. Naari sa sud. Shotgun. Nagyapon ang kapilya dire. Kung makasaka ko. And pagkauman ay daho kayo nga chainsaw. Okay. Sure ko ba deads you can't get it. Let's try. Let's try our luck. Okay. Slowly lang. Let's get to the church man. Suda to dali. Yep. Suda dali. Okay. That's resources. So combine. Handgun ammo. Okay. Need 5 ana o usa ka na para resources. Sige. Another. Nilain niya. Ew. Ew. Oh. Rabbits. Okay, that's good. Ayun, tigawas. Crouch out. Kontra lagi dari. Sige, rumble. Okay, use it. Use. Okay. Saan doon? Wala. Okay. Alright. It still works. It still works. Aim. Nope. Okay. No. Kinsa na. Chainsaw. Run your ass. Run your ass. Nope. I'm running. Run. Run here. Isa. Kadagada na. Use. Then, come on. I'm out. Okay. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. Oi, dagan. Shotgun. Sige.
You gotta be kidding me.
Okay. Yep. I know. Run. Yep. Yes.
Oh, nice.
Yep. Trabaho ka sa storyan niya. Okay. Yan, this is the best place you to fight. Yeah. Dere. Jump, Leon, jump, Leon. Jump down. Run. Oh. Dagan sa katedral, dagan diri. Ah. Climb up. Okay, here we go. Okay. Whew. Okay. Use this. Okay. Use this. Ah, no. Shotgun shots. Pwede? 12. I got 5. Halingan lang. Okay.
None left.
Wow, kuyawa ni. So hindi na pwede dito. Wow, okay, nice trick. Ayan na, next time. Okay. Away gini. Okay. Hello.
You gotta be kidding me.
Okay. Dali. Ay! What? Dagan lang.
Present for you.
Equip. See.
Here you go.
Survive ko.
La campana.
Survive ko.
Los invoco.
Milagro. Oh, kato sa tower eh. Hindi na pwede magamit na. Yes, say it.
Tenemos
Say it, Leon.
que servir.
Mas weird na yun, no? Karang klaro na yung iba, nga di kay labdan.
Sadler Todopoderoso.
Weird. Okay. Say it. Say it, Leon. Say it. Oh, sinadaan ba yun? Wow. Say it. Say it, Leon.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Okay. Oh, yeah. Love this game. Love this game yun. So dito na ko tob, naki-demo raman eh. I completed in 31 minutes. Enemy skill 22. Money acquired. Good. Wow. Yeah. March 24, 2023. Na. Okay na. Ready na. So, that was it. Pang demo for the Resident Evil 4 Remake. Pare-pareha rin siya napit sa kwan, pero mas lingaw. Lingaw siya, lingaw. Kulbaan niyo ko kasi, kulbaan niyo ko. Woo! Pero ba't tingin akong kwan, ang problema ang specs ng computer, bugat yun siya ginpunsan. Mga mukha. Pero okay ra. Steering experience. No, experience is good. Okay. You know. Yeah, chainsaw demo. Nice. Nice, good.